Hi guys, Mike Dyson, MarineMax in San Antonio. Thanks for stopping by. Happy to show you today a brand new arrival 2023 Sea Ray SLX 280. Classic design, absolutely gorgeous styling on the SLX 280. Large bow rider with all the luxury, smooth ride, great performance, excellent handling. It checks all the boxes. This one came out great with the black hull sides with the red boot stripe. Got the power tower on board. Anchor windlass with stainless steel anchor. Easily one of my favorite boats we offer. Great way to spend a day on the water. Power with 380 horsepower Mercruiser, 8.2 liter big blocks. We got plenty of performance. Underwater lights. This is my favorite feature. This is a hydraulic swim platform that you can deploy from inside of the boat. So when you're hanging out in the cove and want to get in the water but not be completely submerged, gives you a great option to sit back there and relax. Enjoy the day. We've got plenty of music on board with the Fusion sound system upgrade, rear speakers, and you got a rear cockpit control, or excuse me, rear stereo control within easy reach. Stainless reboarding ladder. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Can't wait to show you the inside. Here we are on board the 2023 Sea Ray SLX 280. I'm standing on the swim platform. You can see how large it is. It's coated with sea deck for comfort and for safety. Notice that the swim platform goes all the way to the edge, so if you pull up to a dock, you don't have to jump across a gap to get on and off the boat. Really plush rear sun pad with plenty of cup holders and ratcheting backrest. So if you want to sit up on the edge of the sun pad, you can do that. When you're done, just one click and it lays down. Easy passageway to get in on board the boat. This is actually a rear cooler, so you can keep cold drinks at hand. Got a rear spray nozzle, so if you need to rinse off the swim deck, rinse off your feet, you got that. Of course, stereo control back here. This is where you'll control the tower. The power tower goes up and down. And you have a hydraulic swim platform that we mentioned on the outside. All controlled easily right here. Look how spacious this is, guys. You can imagine how many friends you could bring along, family, pets. This is the utmost in luxury when it comes to boating. Dual bucket seats with the the helm being a dual wide for two people with a bolster. The dune upholstery really came out nice. Twin Simrad displays integrated seamlessly into the dash. Really nice job on Sea Ray's part of integrating that completely. Port side does have the head with a pump out, freshwater sink, has an opening port light and a light. Moving up to the bow, the comfort continues. Got full wraparound padding all the way around, leather wrapped handles to keep you secure, plenty of cup holders everywhere you need, and fold up armrest. Nice deep area here, so you really feel like you're inside of the boat, not riding on top of a boat. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video. Again, my name is Mike Dyson. I can be reached at 210-347-5768. Look forward to getting you on the water.